That's right. Wait, stop. Show Grammy how you jump. Cole. How did you... Can you jump? Show Grammy how you jump. You're going to be a goofball. Nope. Oh. Hey. Do you have a binky? Oh, do you want to show Grammy how you say car?
Car.
Come back. How about text? Text. Dada.
Dad.
How about Bubba? Can you say Bubba?
Dad.
Bubba.
Dada.
How about car?
Oi.
I got it. How about, hey, come back. Cool. Can you say car? Say car. I got them. They're not going anywhere. They're right here. Can you say, look at me?
Dad.
But no, not Baba. Say car. Car.
Dad. Dad.
Car.
Dad.
Ba. This is a Baba. No, I think I have one. Baba. You don't want it. You just want to say Baba? You want to sleep? Oh, I love the bed. Oh, do we love the blankie? Do you want to come up? Come play with your doggy? Buddy. Look. Well, get the puppy. Why don't you hop up?
Dad.
Doggy. Doggy.
Dad.
Dog. Hey. Can you say dog?
Dad.
That's right. How about car? Car. Car. You don't want to say car? Can you blow a kiss? Mwah. Hey. Mwah. Hey. Mwah. Good job. Can you wave? Hey, look at me. Look at me. Hi. You don't want to wave to me? Hi. But you just said no, Baba. Baba. Can you say great Grammy? Grammy. Grammy. Da. How about car? Ooh, that was a burp. Use you. Say car. Car. No love for Mama today, huh? Car. How about we say grocery shopping? Yucky, we just changed that. Ew.